Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hoopers Mayhem. So today is the day, the special day. Been waiting for like 10 days and finally it has arrived. I hope it's what I think it is. DJI's Mavic Mini, I'm hoping. So we're gonna do a bit of an unwrap and then we won't fly today because the weather's reasonably ordinary outside, but I'm gonna charge it up and then we'll probably go through it. So we'll switch the camera back to the other view, but I'll do a bit of an unbox. I'll use my trusty letter opener.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. So that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops.
There we go.
Rock got a new clock and a new stock for this new
Mavic
rock.
Mini.
Just let your mind loose from the new stuff.
The everyday fly cam. Oh, yes. So as you'll see, this isn't the Flymore package, because the one that I ordered wasn't the Flymore package, that didn't have any, so I ended up just saying, oh well, stuff it, I'll just get this one and then I'll go and buy my batteries, even though it's going to be a lot more expensive doing it that way, but I didn't want to wait around. Alrighty, what have we got? Open it up the wrong way. There you go, the cover. You can see your controller and the actual Mini there. This is how it comes, raw footage, this one. So we got here, obviously the controller. The Mini, look how small it is, it's tiny. Fits in your hand, it is so small. And this would be your battery. Your distractions, some other stuff, and that, so make sure there's nothing under it. That's it, that's all of it. So we'll get into opening it up. So this one here, important safe information. This is just going to be a brochure. So flying with control, have fun, but remember it's an aircraft for New Zealand. So yep, this one's for Australia, so let's get to know the rules. So obviously you cannot fly closer than 30 metres to boats, cars, vehicle, people, building, popular areas. Can't fly any higher than 120 metres, so you have to set that on your app, and within 5.5 k's of an airfield. So yep. So we got these ones, it's just the disclaimer and safety guides. It says it right there, safety guidelines. So I will read that. Quick start menu and how we're going to start her up and get it running. So I'll read that. We've got the yes and no, what to do with your Mavic Mini, so might read that. Don't know. In the box, what comes in the box, it's just telling you what comes in the box, so pretty simple. Alrighty, let's see what we got in this box here. This should be the cord and the battery, I'm guessing. No? Okay, so what do we got here? So we got some spare props and screws in the little bag. It's sort of clear, but you got spare props there. We've got ourselves a little screwdriver, your charging cable, and the little controller cables, so plug into the controller and go to your phone, so whatever type of phone you have, whether it's a USB C or A, one of the two. or you've got an iPhone cable, things like that, and then you got some joystick controllers. So in this one, which we'll actually open up this bag this time, so I'm pretty keen to find out where the battery is. Alright, so we have our little fold out aerials, as you can see there. So they just fold back, across, down, across, and keeps it all nice and neat in the package. And these ones just fold open like this and like this. And they open a fair way, which is handy because my phone should fit that piece of cake. And you'll see in here you'll have the little controller joysticks, which you can just screw on. That's where they store them. And then you'll have your charger cable, which will go through there, run around, tuck in here, and plug into your phone. What's this say? Unfold the antennas and mobile clamp, then attach the sticks and cable. So we've just done all that, so we don't need that little sticker anymore. Didn't need it to start with because it's pretty blatantly obvious. For me anyway. So these ones you press it once and then that's telling me it's nearly full charge. So alright, so that's turned on. So you press it once and then hold it. So press once, one quick one, and then press and hold, and that'll turn your battery on. And then the same for turning it off. So that's the controller. Nice and neat. Now I'm hoping this has got the battery installed, but we will find out. So they've propped these wings together just to stop them from doing this. That's how you would have them in your bag, so you can get a little lucky band or something or whatever, have them in your thing. So we've got all these little labels on here. So this one's obviously for your battery. Charge to activate the battery before first time use, so we will be doing that very shortly. So I'll just take off the sticker. And then inside here is our battery case. And yes, the battery is in there. So they've got a little button under here, which you can press that and pull them out. And then it just clips in, so you can press it, pull them out. When you buy the Fly More package, you get 3 of these batteries and a USB battery hub. So that will clip into the hub. All 3 batteries will clip into the hub, and you can carry that, use that to carry your batteries around. But with these ones, when it's not a Fly More, you've got to click your battery in there and then charge it through here. So this little slot here is your micro SD card, which I've got one around somewhere, but I'll get one out and show you after. We got a little sticker here that says unfold the front arms forward. So like that. Number 2, unfold the rear arms downwards. We've got that little sticker there, hang on. Unfold them downwards, yep. Then you go to the other side, do the same, forwards, and another one, downwards. And there you go, that's the drone. And this one here is the cover for the gimbal. It says please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. So take that off and that off. And this little case here is only used for travel. So this little camera here doesn't get wobble around because it does move quite a fair bit. But once it's in the air, it doesn't. That's just a little gimbal cover for traveling. Actually tucks under the front. and then pushes on there like that. There you go. And that's it. Under here you've got these here are your sensors, so that will tell you, that'll detect like any objects, so like your hand or the ground, trees, things like that. So it will actually, if it detects it, it will actually hover up and try to stay about, I think it's about a meter away. And these are your air vents for your battery, and this is your power on button. So it's the same as your controller. You press it once and then press and hold it the second time, and that will pair up with your device. So that's it for that one. So I might jump in, I guess, just quick and put this and show you the different types of connections.
Yeah, let's go.
Here's our connection. So that's your mic. Someone can tell me it's the same one you'd use with the old Samsung phones that they used to bring out. Then they brought out the newer one. So it's the same as your phone. That was the old phone, and then obviously your iPhone. So I've got mine's an S10 Plus, so go with that one. You want to open up your left rudder quick fit thingy, and then obviously it just goes in behind in this little groove here, and plugs into, there's only one way it plugs in, and that's it there. Runs into this little groove, and then you can actually have it so it clips into your controller there like that, and then when you close this down, you'll see it's just sitting, just sits in there. But then when you fold it out and open, it's there ready to go onto your phone. That's it. So hopefully the next video you will see will be of me with some footage of me flying this thing, this little bad boy. So anyway, thanks guys, that was the unboxing with the DJI Mavic Mini. Peace. Stay moist. Alrighty guys, that was the unboxing there of the Mavic Mini. So I'm going to leave a bit of a link in the description of where you can pick yourself up a Mavic Mini, or you can get the Mavic Pro, Air 2, all those sorts of different things from DJI. So check out the link below in the description, and I'll see you next time.